Yo guys, welcome to the Tech Stuff channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have access to emojis everywhere on your Windows computer. And this without even having to install any software. This is already on your computer. For the sake of this tutorial, I just prepared a Google Docs so that you can see how it works. But it works everywhere on your computer, whatever the text field, right? So it works as well on the search bar, for instance. So in order to have access to your emojis, you just need shortcuts, keys shortcuts. Those keys are very simple. You just need to press the Windows symbol and then the dot button. And there it opens. This window appears with all the emojis possible. You have everything listed here and you can choose whatever you want. You see, it's working. Okay? And if you want to find a particular emoji, you need to click here on the search icon, right? And if you want to find, let's say, a smile, you write down smile and you have all the smiles displaying right here. All right, you click on the one you want and that's it. Cool stuff, right? Tech stuff. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If it's the case, please don't forget to leave a thumb up and to subscribe. And I see you in the next one.